Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lu, or Kabu if you like, and today I'm going to do a video of how I do a slick low bun and this music. So I hope that's not disruptive, but we're gonna do what we're gonna do. And I'm going to use what I have. So I have this Mosara Moisture Milk, which I will use if I need because I had moisturized my hair yesterday after washing it. And then this is the Nice and Lovely Styling Gel. It has a firm hold and it says hold shine for up to 7 days, which is true because I've used it before. And then I have a brush and a comb. This is a soft-ish brush and a comb. And then I have this in case I need it. I don't know if I'll need it. And I have yarn to hold my hair. This is going to act as the hair band because I am not going out because we are staying in the house because of this thing. So I've decided to undo this first, and then I'll deal with these two, these four. Back. I've done my makeup, I showered, and let's see. Final look. Mm, mm. Hey guys. My hair is laid. I'm going to use these extensions I got from Natural Hair Kenya at the back. So I'm fixing them on the hair itself. This is the final look, guys. As I said earlier, I used some mascara, or you can use some black eye pencil to just shade in and look like you have a hairline that's non-existent, really. And then you can use whatever extension you have. I used this, I got it from Natural Hair Kenya. I will leave their Instagram handle here. And then you can use these pins on the sides to glam your look. And guys, let me tell you, this nice and lovely gel, it's the bomb.com. No whitish things, and it holds this for long. So if I want to use this style for like a week, the only thing I do in the morning is after showering or before showering, I spritz with water in a water bottle, and then I apply a little gel and then use the brush to make the any flyaways lie down, and then that's it. I wrap with a headscarf, and after showering I'm good to go. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.